So I think this was a fantastic trading game. Most of you, I'm sure, would have made a excellent profit. Let us see how this market worked out today. See, this was the first 15 minutes candle. Okay. See the way the market worked out. It opened. There was, if you see, there's a long wick here, right? Open was gap down. Okay. I was in fact holding, we were holding longs. Thankfully, we always hedge. We had 84,600 call, which we were holding with profit of around 30 points. Okay. That, of course, the premium got killed, but we were also holding, we had locked in the profit with put. So thereby what happened is we did not lose, but we were in break even, right? The first candle, if you see, the put actually was in profit when we opened. And then when this happened, this wick happened. Of course, I'm showing in where is Sensex? Okay, I'm showing it in Nifty. Same almost Sensex happened. Okay, Sensex also same moment. If you notice, let's see where it's. But here it's let's see, it opened and then came down, right? So if you see the levels here already marked, we are levels. So we took the put here. We made some decent profit. Okay, and then market started reversing here somewhere at this point. We took loss. We booked out too early actually. Market went here. We expected this to actually move down. We were holding puts, but it reversed and hit our SL. At this point in time, we started taking hedge trades. We were not holding one-sided trade because market was very confused. If you see this, it is going up. Okay, it goes up, comes down, then this level we were expecting some reaction, which actually happened. You know, if you see here, market reacted here, correct? This level, market reacted here, right? There was another reaction here. There was again a reaction here. This market became flat here. We realized market is flat here. And then around 115 or 120, this place, we actually took shots. And this beautifully gave us profit till here. Okay. We booked out and then again re-entered, we booked some here. And I think we also captured, like you can see here, to go, I'll just show you. So I think this is, if you see here, yeah, on this place, we were longish, but we mentioned shorts being covered by after till now. Let us see if changes happen. And this we were around this, around, as I said, 115, 120, we were adding put slowly. First we added above 100 two lots, two more after 112 crosses. This went to 150. And we also, as a hedge, we half quantity we bought 84,700 call to be on safer side. Okay. Before that, if you see, you can clearly see this was the call. I sold 84,600. We had this 195, and we could have booked, but we hedged it. We didn't book. This was yesterday's and today's today. Morning, you see, this was the put. Premium killing is happening, but we again re-entered, and then this went 150, 160 also. And then we, as I mentioned, we took loss. It was around 10 o'clock. See, around 10. This way, I told you exactly. We are very quick. Our tools help us to move positions quickly. We have a paid. One of my friend has actually shares it during the trading hours. Now again, then we bought this. We but this hit SL actually. So if you see in around 115, yeah, I already showed you, right? So this actually gave very good. We in fact added once again. We went added, we added 84,600 put 84,700 first initially, correct? 84,600 put also we bought 120, and then this one again above 140, 180 around it went. Finally, okay, we traded this long. We traded long. So now all this set and done. Now you see this data. Dow is a slightly, the price seems to be holding puts. Okay. But if you see the open interest data, let us see the open interest data. You see very clearly this 23rd December, right? You'll see more of 25,900 calls are written highly, and puts actually have exited 25,900, right? So market, there is a possibility, even if I look at this chart for tomorrow, I don't for the futures, then if you see above this, I will look for longs. Okay. Below this, I will look for short. For sure, market I feel tomorrow will move like this. So there is a chance, of course, that that market can open like this and move up also very quickly, right? It may come up to this level also, because there is, see, if you see, there is this is where major shorts has happened, right? So market may, as per I understand, you see technically also this is a trend line support, right? It will purposely break. We will think, all of us will think it's a breakout, and then go buy puts opening, get stuck. Market suddenly will give a move and bring up to 25,930. This is I'm talking about futures. Let me show in spot. So same thing. That is one aspect which I'm thinking. The other aspect is what market can do is can get stuck in this range, kill all the call bias and put bias here, squeeze and then give a sudden move. There are more chances that market can move down first and then upside, okay, or open gap down and then sudden move up. So this is various, but we will capture. If you are there in our channel and all that, in our subscription and all that, we will surely capture. But if you ask my view for tomorrow, more or less, if I look at this structure, mm, more that it looks to be stuck in this range. And if there is a breakout, it will break till here. Break till here may put a pullback. What happened to the chart? Okay, trading view got refreshed, I think. So may pull back, come into this range again, take support from here and go to this level. So these are all predictions. I don't want to predict, but if you see more or less, Uh, yeah, this can be a good support zone now. This level can be good support. So to see in the futures and what I've seen almost here, this area, I think it's not a support area, but this is where prices will test. See, market needs liquidity. It go where the maximum stop losses. It will take out your stop losses. You have longs here, right? Your stop loss will be here. It will break your stop loss, move up. There are shorts here. It will break your stop losses. But this area has to be tested tomorrow. Okay, this and maybe even this. Okay, but again depends. As I said, this looks like a tight zone for me at the moment when I see. Now, major. If you see today, Hedges has given a major amongst the what do you say large cap. HDFC seems to be outside this trend line. Breakout kind of a thing has happened. But this area is a good support area. Okay. Possibilities that HDFC Bank can move this level and then again come down. Okay. But should I short or go long? Tomorrow I will decide. But this area, this looks a little dicey. If you see, it needs to test this zone sometime 900 before us, otherwise it cannot break this 1000. It'll keep moving up and then hitting this and then coming down. So this time it must come here, maybe another 2-3 months or anytime, and then it can go to this level. Let me show you what is the price of this. 1049 is my, it's all magic numbers. Okay, you can call it as GAN, whatever if you want, but this is the levels just okay. See Reliance, it is on the uptrend. It's actually this was a very nice upside move. If somebody has captured this, that's fantastic. Or even if they missed this, they could have added join in here or somewhere here and then capture this move. Now, if you ask me, it is at this previous area where the selling happened. So very important level we are in, right? It's not easy for break up this uh, area. So that means to say there can be another what you call as a retracement. But at the moment, mm, Reliance looks to be Dow is in the downtrend. It is trying to move up, right? See here, and it is also stuck in this area. Now it has to come out. It's almost in the verge of either coming down or we might see some kind of a down move and then upside. We have to see how this goes. But if I look at the charts, it has already broken this, of course. Now this is a very nice support area, but then it is not able to break. So it will try to break this now. It's taken this strong buying and possibly mm, yeah, it should once test this level in another few oh, days or weeks, hopefully by then good selling again. We'll see. This just a imagination you can say also. Infosys is a very nice uptrend. See, has been Now it is kind of forming like a cup. I don't know if the handle will happen here. Okay, this we have to see, but this is such a pattern, but it is moving nicely. If you see from here, it came down, again pulled up, came down, pulled up, broke this area, right? Nicely it broke out this area and the upside now. Now again it will of course can come down into this level and then move up. So this is how market doesn't need to just keep going straight up. It needs liquidity again. Now my favorite stock is kind of stuck, you know. See, there's a big downtrend. Here the selling happened, here the selling happened, selling happened. Huge selling been happening here. This area I am expecting some bounce back. Okay. So the nice area to accumulate, you can see. Or if this is doesn't bounce back or does the buyers don't come here, then the next level will be 452, another 100 points down. So very crucial area. That's why I'm showing. Uh, and let me also show you Spice Jet. This level is going to be a strong buy. If buyers come here, one upside till 42 can come again, right? Because see the pattern, sellers have dominated so far. If the sellers continue, then it may come up to 28 levels. But then in the period of 2 years, we should see some 52 90 levels. And if the DGCA, all those issues, challenges get resolved. We will also look at Indigo. Indigo, this is my level. I am looking to short this here. You come into this zone and maybe shorts can come. Or if it sustains, then we'll see another upside again. Now, what are the stocks we are looking at tomorrow? I'll just share you. I'm looking at SBI Life. Okay. If you see SBI Life, it is trying to sustain and then move up this level. So we will have to see how tomorrow what it does, whether it sustains and moves up. Okay. But if you see there has been strong selling, if it comes here also again the sellers may come. But look at this pattern. Okay. So it's more or less like a what do you say, rising wedge, more or less. Okay. So again, this is also stuck in this range. So it will again go up till here, take selling and then come down. But this for tomorrow, I'm looking at intraday. Intraday, I may look for some bit of upside rally. Wait, let us see. Or okay, again there may be some bit of a. This has been a strong morning. I think today morning you see strong selling came, but then sustained. They purposely did this because there were some lot of buyers who have bought it till here, right? So these people's stop loss would have triggered here, or they would have got panicked and sold out, and immediately market has gone up. Again, this trend line was tested. See, multiple times the trend line has been tested today, correct? Can you see? See the number of times it is tested. Here, again here, again or here. So many times it has been tested. This is kind of a strong. See, this area has been protected so far. There's no strong support zone and all that. They purposely will support and then suddenly, they can take it down also. Okay. For sure, this level these two levels, we have to be cautious. There can be chances that sellers can come here or here, then again bring it down before any upsides. Okay, but for tomorrow, we have to watch out this level. If this level breaks, then nice up downside put we can take till 2000. Okay, or even 1998 levels. Then we have Petronet, has been very flattish for some time, correct? Long time. Okay, now this needs to again see this wick here today. Doji needs to, if it sustains, okay, I see it may come till here again, then selling can come. Okay, right? Or it may come till here, catch all this. Okay, let's see. Right, so you see this chart, see the how nicely, yeah, it'll come till here and then again come down also. Or I think February there's earnings, because so it'll be in this range. Wait for this, how the earnings, and then maybe look for upside or even downside, more down. Then we are looking at Chola for tomorrow. This I am looking more or less for a downside again. Bank of India, we can expect some bit of a rally till 148 levels, hopefully, provided it comes breaks out of this zone. But if you see, it's in an uptrend, right? It comes down, but this is a range for now. And we are looking at Polycab. Polycab is may open gap down. If that's, then we are losing a nice rally for tomorrow. But you see today how this worked, gap down, right? So it is stuck in this range. We have to see which side uh, Polycab can rally. All right. So I hope uh, this channel has been helpful. You were able to get some clarity on the market. And number two, I think Nifty is definitely weak, or rather is sell on rise. Key levels to be watched is 20. Tomorrow, yeah, I forgot. These levels can be tested, these two levels. This and 25 to 692. If does, it come till here, and then we can possibly this level, or maybe even somewhere at couple of weeks, we can see this level, 26,106, this area before the downside move. We'll see exact I cannot see, but this definitely this market is sell on the rise. If it comes up, it will move again to the next level of 25, 494, 372 and 208. All right. Thank you all. God bless you all. Thanks for joining. Thanks for all your comments, views, and please let us know what you want. Which stocks are you holding? What looking for short term, mid term, long term? We will definitely guide you whatever we have knowledge on. We are holding Hindalco longs, BSE longs. You may also add these two for tomorrow for short term, maybe 10-15% gains. Okay. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care and have a nice weekend too.